Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in tonight. Another episode of Let's Talk on Livewire Radio. And you're here with your boy J Star.
And Shawnee B.
Definitely, man. And guys, thank you all for all the support and all the likes and the share and the feedback and all the content that we've been putting out so far on Livewire Radio and Let's Talk. And definitely tonight we want to talk about some of the things that is currently going on in Jamaica that's very disturbing to my heart, to my soul, and we definitely want to just highlight it and show you guys some of the things that are actually going on in Jamaica at this point in time. Shawnee B.
Yeah. We want to talk about this video with this guy. I threatened him girlfriend. He say him will kill her. No matter what, him will kill her. If I last thing him do, him will kill her. So, we want to react to the video and touch upon that.
Definitely, because just it's very disturbing knowing
Yeah.
that you know this guy really wanna. He's telling this woman, what he wanted. He's gonna kill her.
Yeah, if it's the last thing him
If
do.
it's the last thing he do, he's gonna kill her.
Yeah.
But you know what I mean? I want you guys to just listen to it and tell me and just drop in the comment section what you think. You know what I mean? And it's just listen to it. It's very disturbing. But we'll let you guys listen to it. All right, let's go.
But I go and speak to you in this kind of manner.
Mm-hmm.
You know how much money we spend for you when you're sick? What do you hear?
Peter?
No. No, just say you don't know.
Me don't know.
All right. Let I say something to you.
Mm-hmm.
You see, we here, or you, when we go in the garden, and you pack up your things, them, and if me come here, I can't catch you. You know, go with everything? Eh? No.
Uh-huh.
I'll tell you something now.
Mm-hmm.
Never forget this. I watch yourself.
Mm-hmm.
And my link, all about me have links. But
Mhm.
listen when I say to you very careful.
Mm-hmm.
You will never, ever
Mm-hmm.
hurt me again. And watch me now. Me, I make certain say. And listen, you can't report it. Me, I make certain say you never, ever say that watch you again. Me just have to tell you 3 weeks up, And me I make sure tell you, Denny, listen. Me I make sure and tell you, Denny, they say anytime in 3 weeks up, me personally, come here, me personally, you say anytime something happen to you, no one you are looking at me face, I know say, I'm me about it.
Mm-hmm.
You see, I'm me feeling, I'm me know, you sit yourself 2 times with me, and I may run up and down, I may run up and down, I may do this, I may do all of that, and we say you pack up your things, and you leave, See, say why, Peter, why? Let me try to report it. You have the last chance, me I give. No, you have a, you have a agenda,
Peter?
No, hold on, Peter.
Well, I know.
You have a agenda,
Actually, me, Peter.
Hold on, just let me talk, man.
Actually, me, Peter.
Yes, just let me talk. That's why I'm telling you you have to report it. That's why I'm telling you to report it. So listen, me I tell you this,
So, Peter, you did make me. Are you? Well, I know. Are you? What are they? Are you did make me sell out? Watch you, Peter?
Well, I know, just listen.
Well, I
Just
know.
listen.
Are you did
No.
make me sell out? Watch you, Peter?
Well, I know, just listen to me, I say, Just listen to me.
Peter.
No, just listen. Just listen to me feel.
Peter.
Just listen to me
Oh,
feel.
me
I
hurt
make
you now.
certain. No, me I make certain. If it cost me life, me I make certain that you know did this. Me I make sure tell you that. If it cost me life.
Why me not for there now? Tell me why me not for there. If me
You know
there
why
your
you-
yard, well on man, yeah talk and talk and talk. But there your yard. Me live at your yard. How much money me spend? See there out of Delta 50,000 that already now. Remember say me name out there. Remember say well on now. Remember say listen me man and me throw partner and me throw me money.
Alright.
Me throw me money. Well on man. Remember say he win them for your house and me spend money.
Yes.
Buy them.
Yes.
Peter, me and you live there. And yes, me give thanks. So when me sick, you look after me.
Yes.
Me give thanks. So yes, so me sick, and you look after me. Oh, me for hurt you. If me and you left. Oh,
No,
me for, well, I know. Oh, me for hurt you. Again, when me and you left. Peter, when me and you left, me feel like a threat. You a threat to me. When you start,
well, you
when you
just said to
out,
me,
well, I
no.
know, man. When you out for lick off the door, you take all iron and lick off the door. You take all iron and do this and do that and kick off the door. Or you expect me to feel about that?
All right,
When
listen
you
up.
dead, Peter. Man a
Listen,
kill
listen.
woman, man a kill woman hard.
Well,
Peter.
you know now.
Me
You know
not
now.
sell a, well I know. Me
You
not,
know now.
listen me no man.
Yeah.
Me not sell a watchy. Me, well I know me a sell a watchy, right? You act like me down there make millions. You go tell me say me can't sell this. So if me a sell two look okra down there. Me dey down there and me a sell two look okra. You never help me to get spot down there, Peter. Me get spot off of me own.
All
Me
right.
fight
No.
with people and me a
Well,
man
well,
long war
what?
sitting
Yes,
down there.
yes. We
And
never
you go
help
tell me
get
say
spot.
you go make certain say me no
Yes,
hurt you
yes,
and
yes,
me. Well I know you go make certain say me no hurt you. But you want hurt me.
Yes, yes,
So
never
that is
hurt
a
you.
threat.
Yes, never hurt you. I'm going to report it. I'm never hurt you.
So that is a threat. A threat me.
Yes, I'm going to hurt you. And listen me very careful. Listen me. You see, any time in 3 weeks lock them up, then he's never kill you. Take it as me tell you. Then he's any time in 3 weeks lock them up, then he's
Me not afraid of you, Peter. Me not afraid of you. I'm going to continue to tell what you. Me not run upon them. Me not run for you like me an idiot. You so far me there. Me not spend time me there now. And me make well on the man me in a Sentan. Me in a Sentan. Me in a Sentan and you in a Saint Catherine. Me there with you and me don't feel comfortable with what you are do. With the way you are threatening who you fit from who you not threatening.
You are to know. No, never make your hand the road, Daddy. Never make your hand the road.
You can't make me the pan the run. Me not ask you a question. You can't make me the pan the run. Me not ask you. So me not afraid of you, Peter.
All right, you're not afraid of me. All right, that's how you go dead. Right, that's how you go dead. Right.
It's a business where you want to. But me not afraid of you, Peter.
All
Me
right,
a sell me, so it's tool for up when me a sell this stuff.
No, when we come,
You not do what you want to, Peter. Me not stop you from do what you want to. Do what you want to. Me on go say is a threat. You threaten me, that's so.
And I threaten you. And I tell you, me say, listen, if I laugh, thing me have to do. If I last thing me have to do. But listen very careful. If I last thing me have to do, me have to kill you. If I last thing me have to do, me have to kill you. If
So
you
me hurt you, Peter.
If you come up Polish tongue, anywhere Polish tongue me come, and me run my investigation, and you anywhere you're dead.
Yeah, right. Today I look money for man, cause me never hurt you. Me never hurt you, Peter. Me and you dead, and every time you know, all when you raise your hand, when you raise your hand.
I'm going to teach you something. Never show you say, all where you use I have, them a pretty boy, but never show you say me a no pretty boy. Never show you who can hurt people. Me tell you, me no want to hurt you, but never hurt you. Just who you hurt me, never hurt you. I'm going to hurt you.
Peter, I'm going to tell you, I cannot agree. I'm going to live there because I don't feel comfortable with your behavior. And that me say to you, I don't feel comfortable with your behavior. That's what I said to you, you know. And you go tell me, say, you go hurt, and you go damage me, and you go.
Man, if you not kill us, it's wrong. We say, oh, look, listen. Go and sell Dennis. Go and comfortable and sell, man.
You know, this is what you want. You're not comfortable at your yard with your family, them. So when you comfortable, I can look after my four sitting them. My little boy don't have a father, I know.
Denny, if I not kill you, something wrong. No God, no come. Just hold on. Just wait till the 3 weeks up, my girl. Just wait till the 3 weeks up. We say, a same place around our career there. Just take it as me tell you. Same place around there. Go report your morning. Tell police and Mrs. So. We say, a same place.
Nah, report nothing.
All right, look at what I got it. Look if you now got it. Dennis, listen, me link big, you know, y'all. Me link big, wide.
What me do to hurt you?
I just because you see me and me not talk. Look at me now, bro.
Peter, me no business if you want that. That is not my business if you want that, no. The blood of Jesus is against you. Man only have one life. Man only have one life and man I do.
Alright, you what you want to. Never make it.
Peter, me never tell you say you can't. Say you can't. Me never tell that.
If we not kill you, I watch you, man. I'll Spanish Town. Then if you come at Spanish Town, come here, me have link away for you, Dennis. You say any tie you drop a Spanish Town, and me here say you drop there. No, you miss by your skin your teeth for mine now when they say the money coming. Can you say me know say you not come so early? If me know say you not come so early. You miss by your skin and your teeth. But listen, me say, if me no do it, if me no hurt, then he's nobody else hurt. Then he's now make sense that you know hurt no more man.
What me hurt you with, Peter? Me ever hurt a man before?
Guy,
You ever see me hurt a man before? Me ever hurt a man before? You got me so much money you spend upon me when me sick. You say you spend how much money upon me when me sick. And you go kill me and you go this and you go that. You go make me run up and down, Peter.
Me say, the credit I got done, and me have to make sure and say, yo, if I last thing we do, me I kill you. You quickly, I with you can't could not get with. You must. If me not kill you, no God no come. We say, if me not kill you, Dennis. If me not kill you, no God no come. We say, Dennis, me I go kill you. And I see him play what you have Paris tongue, me I kill you. Yo, we say, anytime you drop down me here, Dennis, Mr. Alice say, police today, you are dead. Can't me make up my mind. Me I go kill you. Just take it as me tell you. Go report him. Me say, me I go kill you. You hear me tell you? If you, me say, Dennis, you better you me tell you, no. You better you me tell you, no. Me say, Dennis.
Yeah.
Yo.
So, real quick, Sean. First of all, this is very disturbing. And he made it very clear that he's gonna kill her.
Yeah, bro.
And you can tell based on just listening to that. What's your take on that?
It goes to the fragile ego of Jamaican men, sadly. You understand? There's a lot of Jamaican men that have this belief that if they give woman money, then buy woman something, them expect the woman to give something in return by, staying with them forever. And no matter what them do, the woman have the right to leave them. You understand? If the woman leave them, they feel like so they have to kill the woman. And this is something that needs to change in our society, we talk about this with our mental health video we just did. But this is crazy, this guy has a very fragile ego. Basically, him saying that she hurt him. You understand? So because she hurt him emotionally, he feel like he have to do something physically. And it's crazy, with all the violence that's going on against women in Jamaica right now, we need to do something about this, man. I hope somebody I hope the police can pick up Peter and talk to him. You understand? Because that's a threat, and I believe in Jamaica, if you make a threat, you can actually wind up in a prison for that.
Yeah, these people definitely need help, man. It just is sad that you want to murder, you want to take somebody's life because for the simple fact that she said that she left because she didn't feel comfortable. She didn't left that she didn't want to be with him. She didn't feel comfortable because obviously the threats that he's been making. This is not the first time. This can't be the second time.
Yeah, she said that him take a whole iron and knock off the door. Yeah, so that probably been disturbing to her why she left.
Exactly. So obviously this woman haven't left or leave him because of her wanting to hurt him. It's because she did not feel safe based on the threats and the physical violence and so on. She left.
Yeah.
And even the woman is actually selling okra and stuff in Tongue or whatever, and she building up she her business or whatever, and you really want to take this woman's life because she don't want to put up with your bullshit.
Yo, it's just crazy, man. This is just the mentality of Jamaican men. It's like they feel like it's a scarcity mindset, pretty much. They feel like, say, this one woman is the only woman that can love them, and no matter what, this is the only person. This is the only person for him, and it's crazy. It's crazy. Like, I feel like as Jamaican men, we need to reevaluate how we look at women in a way. Like, start looking at women as objects and look at them as a person. Because I sure know this guy Peter, he wouldn't want somebody to threaten his life and take his life, right? He's treating her like an object. You understand? And it goes back to this what we talk about, this breeder culture.
Yeah.
You understand? Breeder culture is basically a man just feel like so they just need to impregnate woman. You understand? And don't give a crap after that. You understand? That's that breeder culture. And it's so prevalent in Jamaica. It's widespread. You understand?
Yeah.
They don't look at women as people. You understand? People with feelings, emotions. Women are very emotional.
Yes.
You understand? It comes like Jamaican men are more emotional than women. Because
Yes.
as a man,
Definitely.
as a man, right? You should be able to deal with that. You understand? Now, I'm not saying that, a woman throw something at a man, like, hurt a man feelings, if it stay tough or whatever, but you supposed to have a way of dealing with it. Like, go sit down and cry. You understand? This guy might want to cry, but him not know how to cry, because Jamaican man have this mantra of being tough.
Well,
You understand?
Well, definitely it does, because it just shows that to a next level of not having that guidance or just like how we talk about the mental illness and so on. It's like they don't know how to express themselves.
Yeah.
That's just the simple way to break it down.
Yeah.
And it just shows the lack of being educated about how to express yourself.
Yeah, man.
And it's okay to express yourself. And the only way he can express himself is to want to take somebody's life.
It's true violence.
Because he's just matching the amount of pain bottled up inside to what he want to release, because he just feel like, okay, what I'm feeling right now, because it's piled up, me taking her life, he thinks that that's going to help him release whatever pain he have inside. And not understanding that he probably have pain from not having his father around. I'm sure that guy probably didn't grow up with a father and
you don't have no guidance.
You can tell just the way he's talking to this woman.
Yeah.
He had no guidance.
Yeah,
you understand what I'm saying?
See, the thing is that his father wasn't there to raise him in a way for respect woman. You understand? Even if his father went there, he probably never. His father was just like him right now. Basically, he probably emulating his father. You understand? And this is like such a deep emotional problem with Jamaican men that we really need to change that as men. You understand? We need to start valuing females more and stop feeling like only one female can love you. You have tons of females in this world. Like, how much? You have billions of people on this planet. At least one woman will love you. You understand? Or there will be a ton of women. Just put it that way. A whole heap of woman out there, and you don't feel like you have to deal with just one woman because this woman is not treating you right.
Definitely.
So it's crazy, man.
Yeah, that just listening to that audio, guys, I really feel like it's very disturbing. Because it's definitely one of those things where you really have to sit back and really think about how many other men out there is actually thinking like this, and nobody's there to actually give them guidance and help them. Like, listen, there is a thing that called mental illness. If
and
you're
counseling.
not educated about it, and learn how to express yourself. Expressing yourself doesn't have to lead to violence. It doesn't have to lead to taking somebody's life. It doesn't have to lead to physically harming someone. But you definitely can just express yourself. Just talk to somebody, and ask. Try to figure out a way where you can able to educate yourself, to learn how to challenge yourself, to be like, you know what, listen, I feel like every time somebody hurt me, I want to do something evil. So you need to challenge yourself to be like, listen, let me find a different way to channel my anger. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. Like, I just feel like I think, you see this situation, I think the lady loved Peter. 'Cause
Definitely.
I don't think I don't think this is the first time this happened where Peter abused her. Yes, I think it just get to a point where
She get tired.
she get tired of it, tired of the abuse, and she just like, yo, I gotta leave.
Yeah.
It's not that she doesn't love him, it's this behavior. Yes, and the behavior that he has. It's like, and that's pushing the woman away. Like, it's and like he's hurt because she left.
But
It's just like you feel entitled to like be with her, like just be, and then again it goes back to what I was saying. It's like he's looking at her as an object, like he's entitled to her because he gave her money, he took care of her. What? Because remember, he was saying that he took care of her when she was sick. You understand? My run up and down. So you feel like because he did that,
he's entitled.
entitled to her, and it doesn't work that way.
Doesn't.
You should, as a human being, you should be compassionate enough to care for somebody when they're sick, right? And not expect anything back from it. You understand? And I tell you, man out there, when you do something for a woman, don't expect anything back. You understand? Just say you throw your money out there and you're doing it out of the kindness of your heart. Don't expect something back from a woman. You understand? Because if she does something for you, yes, she does something for you. But your relationship shouldn't be based on you giving her something and you expecting something back from her. Don't do that, because it's just gonna lead to a situation like this where you get hurt and you feel like you want to take it out in a violent manner. You understand?
Yeah.
So
yeah, I definitely feel that, like, she loved him and whatever,
Yeah.
but she just can't take it no more.
Yeah.
Because obviously she's a hardworking woman, and God be with her that she could continue to grow and whatever she's selling or greens or whatever,
Yeah.
that her business will expand. And I hope that she the part of him getting to her to kill her, that don't happen. But overall, I feel as though that many times we want to handle this situation in okay, let's send this guy to prison or something like that based on how he's threatening her. But I feel like he need help.
you need mental health.
He definitely need help, and I don't want to just run off because just to talk about it and put him in jail or whatever. But definitely, man, like, these guys need help. Shawnee, what you think about that?
I think they need help. As I said, you hear me say this time after time if you watch our other videos. Jamaica need national therapy. You understand? We need a national counseling solution, because a lot of Jamaicans have some mental illness that really needs to get ironed out, man. Because you see the same thing time after time, like over and over again. You see the same thing, like just the other day, a man in I think it was St. Thomas, stab up a woman and then go hang himself. Bro, like,
it's weird. It's very weird.
The
I feel like there's a wave of just an evil wave is just like attacking these men, and we're not seeing it. It's like
it's just the mindset, man. It's the culture and the mindset, man. It's just like, because this is a mindset of Jamaican men, bro. It's like I see Jamaican men do this. When I used to grow up in Jamaica, I was young, but I see that. You understand? I see that. I used to think that, man and a woman fighting and throwing crap at each other and stuff was normal. But it's not normal. It's not normal. It's not.
You see, and you know what? Before we end this episode, right? What I really want to say is that a lot of these artists, right, Shawnee?
Yeah.
They're very quick to post a video when they're in the club. They opening a bottle. They got their friends around. They're smoking. They're drinking. They probably at the beach or something. They're very quick to pull out their phones, right? And I'm talking about artists. I'm talking about Jamaican artists.
Yeah.
Right? And they're very quick to pull out their phone and record and put it on social media, right? And there's some artists that actually sing against these things. But are they actually going out in the community and actually providing any help for these guys in the community? No. They're not.
And they perpetuate it. They
exactly.
perpetuate the problem.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They're a part of the problem.
Yeah, they're a part of the problem.
Like these artists, and you know what? I feel as though that we're going to have to come to a point, or the people in general going to have to come to a point where they're holding these artists accountable. Like, yo, if you're not doing nothing for your community, we're not coming out to support you.
Yeah, Jamaican people are hard-headed, so
It's
that's
like
a bit difficult.
bro, listen, it's gonna it
Yeah.
has to start somewhere
Yeah.
because these people have the platform
Yeah,
and they have millions of followers,
and them now,
millions of people that listen to
Yeah.
them, and they're not doing nothing. They're not coming. And okay, let me tell you something. And just to make a quick point, let's say you have a big platform, and you say one thing negative about an artist. See how quick he come out to respond.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I agree with you 100%, man. Like, I just feel like Jamaican artists need to stand up now, and they need to stop perpetuating all the badness. You understand? Like, they perpetuate gun, female violence against female in a lot of ways too. You understand? And they degrade females, and you see, because they degrade females, that's why you have men like Peter think women are objects.
You have no examples.
No example. Like, I remember back in the days, like, you used to hear Jamaican music talk about, treating a woman nice and taking care of a
Yeah.
woman. Yeah, that's like the Lovers Rock with Barry's Hammond
yeah.
and them man there, right? They're talking about how you're supposed to treat a lady. Nowadays, these guys are talking about, yeah, girl off your bubble on them head top, girl off your this and that. What message you sending to the females, man? Like, you're telling the females to be promiscuous.
Definitely.
You understand? And it's just, man, look, I don't want to carry on, but we should make an episode on that,
Yeah, maybe you guys just tune into the next episode that we're gonna drop soon. And guys, continue to support us. Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, people? And share the video. You understand? Share it. Put
Stop
in your
being
WhatsApp
selfish.
group.
You know what I mean?
man.
We're dropping good content here. Like, we're not,
exactly.
and we actually doing this because we actually care. Not,
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? So, like, share, subscribe, and
Yeah, man. Peace out, people.
yep.